Hi, my name is Chanice and I was undertaking a full stack development bootcamp at CodeOp Barcelona. And during my session here, my course, I was able to build a single page application by the name Keja Hunt Ke. And the goal of Keja Hunt Ke was to make house hunting easier by the click of a button because it can be very hectic in Kenya. So I chose the name Keja Hunt because Keja is a popular Swahili slang for house or apartment, and it is common to hear someone say naenda kutafuta keja to mean I'm going to look for an apartment. The goal of Keja Hunt Ke first is to model a platform that people can trust and rely on with their house hunting needs. Number two, would like to reduce the hassle of having to travel all the way to a physical location to spend a whole day looking for an apartment. And number three is to just find the house by the click of a button on your phone or your device. Yeah, so my database schema, I have 3 tables that are interacting to make this application possible. And the technologies that I use React as I build my front end using React framework, and I use Redux as my UI data store. And then I'm styling using Bootstrap and CSS. And I use Postman to check the internal state of my database and to read and write to my database. I also use MySQL as my database management system, and my backend is running on Node.js and using Express RESTful Service Framework. A short demo of the app, like I said, it's called Keja Hunt Ke, and when I'm on this page, I'd like perhaps to search for an apartment using by location, or I'd like to filter out the number of bedrooms, bathrooms, and parking spaces per house. So in this case, I will find a house by location, and I want to find one in Mombasa. Immediately I start searching, I already have an option of one listed in Mombasa. And if I want more information, I can click on the apartment and get more information about it, and even a map showing the location of the apartment. So if I wanted to see all the apartments listed on this page, I can also go to another apartments page and see all the apartments listed. As an apartment owner, I can also, once I've logged in, I can register my apartment by location, bedrooms, bathrooms, spaces, parking spaces, and monthly rent, which will be automatically formatted. And then I can add a description about the flat and choose some images. So, and then when I click add apartment, it shows up on the search apartments page. So also I can register as a user looking for an apartment, and I can register as an apartment owner. And if I'm already registered, I can just log in. So the features of this application is, one, I'd like to include a Google Maps API that pins the exact location of an apartment. As of right now, this is hard-coded, and I'd like to change that. So number two, I'd like to improve the overall UX UI design of Keja Hunt Ke and improve the login page and include several login options using passport authentication middleware. And I'd also like to add a contacts page for Keja Hunt Ke and for the apartment owners, and also include a favoriting button for the user to log an apartment that they like and they can revisit later. So that's it, and thank you for watching.